Professor Schrefler, it's an honor and pleasure to have you here. SIPS 2019 just ended very successfully. Let us know some impressions about the event.
Yeah, people, first they came, it's a nice resort and a nice time getting away from the cold which starts over in Europe, more and more. Then they were very pleased, with the symposium, the quality, the number of papers, number of people who came. We had symposia, many say that this was a symposium where there was a real discussion going on. Because usually in many conferences, you give your paper, there's time for maybe one question, that's it. We had sometimes 10 questions and we went on discussing. So.
Oh, that's very good.
Yes, so that the general impression was, it's a different type of symposium of what they are used to go to.
Yeah, that's why we are unique in the world.
Yeah.
There is none structure that we do. We give people roundtable discussion to discuss besides the questions in the symposium, but also open discussion in the plenary lecture, in the roundtable discussions.
Yes.
And you were honored with the symposium with participation from all over the world. How you feel about this?
I was very pleased, a bit humbled, but they came, so clearly.
And you were honored with the Fray International Sustainability Award. Again, how you feel about this?
It's a big honor. But as I said, it went to me, but it also honors my co-workers. Because without them, I wouldn't be here. In our field, we cannot sit down and write equations on a sheet of paper alone. You have to implement them, you need codes, you need experiments, you need a lot of people working.
Yeah, sure, it is a teamwork.
Yes.
No, but you are honored for this teamwork, as a leader of this teamwork, how this your contribution on this teamwork.
Okay, many ideas are mine.
Yes.
At the beginning.
Yeah, that's
almost, let's say.
And that's what you are honored. And the others will develop further.
Yes.
There is space for everyone for hard work and for quality of work to have an award. At this time was you.
Yeah.
So I asked the question, how you feel?
Yeah, I feel very well. It was a great honor for me and I enjoyed it. And it's always nice to have recognition for what one has done.
Yeah, that is our purpose.
Yeah.
To recognize people in science, to make them know in the society, not among a small group of people in the same field. That we know.
Yeah.
But the society should know.
Yes.
Yeah. Also, we, as you saw in the plenary lectures, we have created a new concept, a sustainability framework, where we have categorized 3 pillars of it: science and technology, governance and management, as well as the education and civil society.
Yeah.
According to you, where science and technology stands in this triangle? What's the role of science and technology in this triangle? Sure, it is a table with 3 legs. The 3 legs are very important, but the priority of science in it?
One important priority is to start teaching early. Because we need young people to go into science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Because humanity is very nice. It helps to enjoy life, but to solve the problem you need STEM.
Yeah, STEM.
Yes, and to get more people in, we have to start very early. I think you said it.
This is in terms of education, which
Yes.
is one pillar. But the role of science and technology in this triangle.
Yeah, now, I mean, you're able slowly to get the message through that sustainability is very important. And I enjoyed, there was one lecture, the guy said you have to name the things with the right words. Because I have several colleagues, bright colleagues, they are still quite skeptic about global warming. But once you tell them, as the guy said, but do you want more waste? No. Do you want more pollution? No. But it comes to the same. If you solve the waste, if we solve the pollution, we also solve the global warming.
Exactly, goes in the same direction.
Yes. So it is an approach which may help to bring more people aware of what is going on. Then the outcome is the same.
Exactly.
That was, I found it quite good. And I will use it.
And the location that we have, you mentioned in the beginning. What's your impression about location of our events? You've been last time in Rio de Janeiro, now we have in Paphos, Cyprus, and next year it will be Phuket Island, Phuket Island in Thailand. We do this intentionally. What do you think about this? People like the locations?
Yes. Some people, but they are becoming less and less criticized. The conference is always in nice places, so I tell them, you can think properly in a nice place and in a horrible place. Why should you not think properly in a nice place?
Exactly. The idea is to create good conditions,
yes,
and good appreciation for the work of scientists and engineers, to have nice places.
Yeah.
And what about the social events? What do you think about those? We have for dinners and shows, entertainment every night. What do you think about
that people enjoy.
Compared to other events? Where do you see the difference?
No, you had more than others.
Is it a good thing to have more than others?
Yeah, okay, so they have the choice. Otherwise they go out drinking.
But the idea is to have this event, is to bring people together and know each other, not only through presentation techniques.
No, but also, yes, I mean, you create a lot of opportunities for discussion.
Not only the session, but
yes,
doing dinners, and knowing each other personally.
Yeah.
So, is this something that
that's good.
You prefer to have?
Yes.
Okay. So,
especially in these places, because I mean, if you're in New York, you can go out everywhere.
Yeah.
Yes, but here not. So.
Well.
No, you can be okay, but in the evening it's not so easy.
Yeah.
Either you have a car or.
Yeah. But this is a big resort.
Yes.
And how do you feel after this summit? You go home with new ideas, new recognition. Is this an incentive for you?
Yes. Yeah, also new ideas. I said one. As I told before, because I often come across excellent people, and some are still skeptic. But what I said, if you tell them about waste and pollution, then you can win them over. You don't have to win them over for global warming, but for the same goal.
Yeah. And these are your people in your symposium were all of them were the first time attending SIPS, I guess, because it's specific field, the geomechanics.
It got a bit out of the mainstream.
No, we are sustainability covers everything. Everything, as you said, any field that helps. A sustainable development is part of field and actors. So as I said, to achieve sustainability, you have to protect the environment, develop the economy, and develop the society. So, and the three pillars of the three actors are science and technology, governance and management, and education. So everything that enters in this concept is part of our sustainability. You saw that this time we had an entire symposium on legal matters dedicated to a lawyer from California. We had a symposium with doctors, medical doctors, dealing with oxidative stress and many others. So this is part of. So geotechnics. It was a valuable addition for the first time.
Many work on problems which have environmental relevance. Several papers.
Exactly, it's very close to environmental protection.
There were several on fracking to get sustainable ways to do it.
So, and their impression about SIPS, because they've been also in others since their first time here. What was their impression?
No, it was fine. It was good.
So everybody was happy?
Yes.
Everybody. Okay, Professor Schrefler, again, we congratulate you for the work and for the symposium with participation with people around the world. And you are invited next year in Phuket Island for our SIPS 2020.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everything you did, because you did a tremendous job.
Thank you.
Because I organized 23 conferences, so I know how much work is behind. So I appreciate it.